This is the tutorial of Danny Abe's installing a Harley auxiliary power switch kit. It's a fairing mount. Anyways, it's been a mystery how to get this blank button out of this frame, and it's simple. This tab that you see right there, all you do is slide it out, and it only comes out about 1/4 of an inch, like so, and you just slide it out. Just like that. So when you look inside, you see those two sliding pieces there, those tabs. Trying to work this phone one-handed and manipulate the switch at the same time, get the right lighting. See how it slides up? And I'll just get my thumb under here, and all it is just coming out about not even 1/4 of an inch. And that's how you get all the other buttons out too. This one and this one. And then you just take the new one, the replacement, and it also has a little illumination spot right there, and trying to manipulate everything with one hand again, making sure that that tab's pulled out. Making sure that the cleats that grab onto the sliding rails are matched. Push it in, slide it in. Where am I here? So all I did was push that in, and and the switch didn't get locked in. Gotta do a part 2.